and I'm gonna go drive to Tegan's house to so we can go get some food for our family.
Jaylee, you don't know how to drive.
I do.
When you started driving?
I started driving when you were asleep.
What do you mean you started driving when I was asleep, Jaylee?
Because Mama taught me how to drive.
So Mama taught you how to drive. You're only 5.
No, I'm getting bigger so I can drive.
But you talking about going to get Tegan. You taking her back home?
Yeah.
So you was gonna take her back home?
Yeah. And then we're gonna have a water balloon fight at Untap's house. But I'm making sure Untap don't get wet.
Oh.
Only kids.
Oh, okay. So y'all just gonna have fun.
Yeah. And you gonna stay in the house with Untap, talk to her. All the other kids go outside and play. When they leaving, they can go in the house and change. And then all of the other grown-ups go in the house to talk.
Okay, so all the other grown-ups can go in the house to talk.
And then
Your pants are twisted. That's what I'm talking about right there. It's twisted to the top. Yeah, it's twisted. There you go. Don't. You don't have to pull them all the way up like that.
I know. And then when the parents want to check on us, they could go outside.
So we gotta go outside and check on y'all. We do that anyway.
Only for one time.
We do that anyway.
Okay. Goodbye.
Did you say goodbye?
Yeah. I'm going to our townhouse to talk to Tegan.
No, you cannot drive.
I could drive.
No, you can't.
I could drive.
You can't drive.
I could drive.
You can't drive.
I could drive because I know how to drive.
Well, when the last time you was driving?
You didn't see me? I was driving outside your window when you were sleeping.
How I'ma see you if I'm asleep? So you just took my car?
No.
Well, what was you driving?
You gonna drive.
Oh, okay.
Me to Tegan's house to talk to her.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Goodbye.